The day the aliens arrive starts like any other. The sun rises, birds sing, people go about their daily routines. But then something changes. A shadow falls upon the Earth. It is not a cloud, it is not a natural phenomenon. It's a colossal spacecraft of alien origin descending from the sky. The world holds its breath. Fear and wonder intermingle. News spreads like wildfire. Governments scramble for answers. Are they friendly? Are they hostile? No one knows. The only certainty is that life as we know it has changed forever. In the face of this unprecedented event, the world reacts with a mixture of panic and curiosity. Social media explodes with speculation and theories. Governments issue cautious statements urging calm while secretly fearing the worst. The world watches the sky, waiting with bated breath for the next move of these celestial visitors. The arrival of these extraterrestrial beings throws the future of humanity into uncertainty. Will they be harbingers of destruction or bringers of enlightenment? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear: Earth will never be the same. As the alien spacecraft settles into our atmosphere, a new challenge emerges: communication. How do we speak to a species potentially millions of years more advanced, a species whose language, culture, and very thought processes might be beyond our comprehension? The first attempts at contact are met with silence. Our radio waves, our languages, our very gestures all seem meaningless to these extraterrestrial visitors. The silence is deafening, amplifying our fears and uncertainties. Scientists and linguists from around the world unite in a desperate attempt to bridge the communication gap. They analyze the alien spacecraft, searching for clues, for patterns, for anything that might offer a key to understanding these enigmatic beings. The fate of humanity might very well depend on their success. The challenge of communication becomes a race against time. Each passing moment increases the tension, the fear, the possibility of a misunderstanding with catastrophic consequences. The world waits, hoping for a breakthrough, a sign, a message that will illuminate the intentions of our interstellar guests. Why are they here? This question consumes humanity. Are they explorers driven by scientific curiosity? Are they refugees fleeing a dying planet? Or are they conquerors seeking to claim our world for their own? The possibilities are as vast and unknown as the universe itself. Perhaps they are drawn to our resources, water, minerals, even the very air we breathe. Or maybe they see humanity as a threat, a virus, to be eradicated. Some theorize that their motives are beyond our comprehension, driven by cosmic forces and galactic politics that we in our infancy as a spacefaring species cannot even begin to fathom. The truth, whatever it may be, remains shrouded in mystery. The uncertainty fuels our fears, feeding the flames of paranoia and distrust. As we grapple with the possibility of our own extinction, we are forced to confront the deepest questions of our existence. Who are we? What is our place in the universe, and what does it mean to be human in the face of the unknown? One thing is horrifyingly clear. The technological gap between us and the aliens is immense. Their ability to traverse the stars speaks volumes about their scientific prowess, a level of advancement we can only dream of achieving. Their spacecraft alone, a marvel of engineering and physics, dwarfs our most sophisticated technologies. It hints at capabilities beyond our imagination, weapons capable of unimaginable destruction, defenses impervious to our most powerful assaults. Their arrival is a stark reminder of our own technological infancy. We are but toddlers stumbling on the shores of a cosmic ocean, while they are seasoned navigators, masters of the interstellar void. This technological disparity hangs over humanity like a sword of Damocles. It underscores our vulnerability, our inability to defend ourselves against a force so superior. We are at their mercy, hoping against hope that their intentions are benign. Section 5, A House Divided, Humanity's Response to Invasion. Faced with this existential threat, humanity's response is a mixed bag of unity and division. Some nations band together, pooling their resources and knowledge in a desperate attempt to present a united front. Old rivalries are set aside, replaced by the shared goal of survival. Scientists from around the world collaborate on understanding the alien technology, on finding a way to communicate, on developing a defense against this unprecedented threat. However, not all are united. Some nations, driven by fear or opportunism, break away, prioritizing their own survival over the common good. The world fractures, alliances crumble, and the hope for a unified response dwindles. This division, this inability to stand together in the face of extinction, might prove to be our undoing. Divided we fall, an old adage that rings truer than ever in the shadow of an alien invasion. Section 6. Scars on civilization, societal and cultural impacts. The arrival of the aliens sends shockwaves through human civilization, leaving indelible marks on our society and culture. Long-held beliefs are shattered, replaced by fear, uncertainty, and a profound sense of vulnerability. Religions struggle to reconcile their teachings with the existence of extraterrestrial life. Some see it as a sign, a divine test, while others question the very foundations of their faith. The spiritual landscape of humanity undergoes a seismic shift. The arts and media are saturated with depictions of the aliens, reflecting our anxieties, our fears, and our desperate hope for survival. The invasion becomes a cultural touchstone, a defining event that shapes the narratives we tell ourselves about who we are and what it means to be human. The very fabric of society is tested. Trust erodes, replaced by suspicion and paranoia. The social order, already fragile in many parts of the world, threatens to collapse under the weight of fear and uncertainty. Section 7. A world transformed economic and environmental consequences. The alien invasion triggers a global economic meltdown. Trade routes are disrupted, markets crash, and currencies become worthless. The intricate web of global finance unravels, leaving chaos and hardship in its wake. Industries crumble, particularly those reliant on technologies potentially compromised or rendered obsolete by the aliens. The focus shifts to survival, to securing basic necessities like food, water, and shelter. The environmental impact is equally devastating. Alien technologies, weaponry, and even their mere presence disrupt ecosystems, pollute the environment, and threaten the delicate balance of our planet. The invasion serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our world, how a single event can ripple outwards, affecting every aspect of our lives, from the personal to the global. Section 8. The uncertain future, possible outcomes of invasion. As the alien presence on Earth becomes the new normal, several possible outcomes emerge, each more uncertain than the last. Will humanity survive this encounter, or will we succumb to a technologically superior force? One possibility is coexistence. Perhaps with time and understanding, we can find a way to share our planet, to learn from each other, and to forge a new era of interstellar peace. Another possibility is resistance. Humanity, even when backed against the wall, is capable of extraordinary resilience and ingenuity. We might find ways to resist, to fight back, to reclaim our planet from the invaders. The darkest possibility is extinction. The aliens, whether by design or indifference, might wipe us out, claiming Earth for their own. Our planet, once teeming with life, could become a silent testament to a failed species, a cautionary tale lost among the stars. The future remains unwritten, a blank page upon which our actions, our choices, and our will to survive will determine the fate of humanity. Section 9. Fact and Fiction, the likelihood of an alien invasion. While the idea of an alien invasion captivates the imagination, sparking countless books, movies, and speculative theories, the scientific reality is far more nuanced. The Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, highlights the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact with such civilizations. This paradox leads to intriguing possibilities. Perhaps advanced civilizations choose not to contact us, or maybe the distances between stars are simply too vast for interstellar travel. Despite ongoing efforts like the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, which uses powerful telescopes to scan the cosmos for artificial signals, we have yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, let alone a civilization capable of invading our planet. While the possibility of an alien invasion cannot be entirely ruled out, it remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. The more pressing concerns facing humanity are terrestrial in nature: climate change, resource depletion, and the ever-present threat of nuclear war. Instead of fearing shadows from the stars, we should focus on addressing these immediate challenges, on building a more sustainable and equitable future for all humankind. For it is in safeguarding our own planet and our own species that we truly prepare for any future, whether it holds contact with benevolent extraterrestrial life or continued solitude in the vastness of space.